What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Ryan, so thank you all for joining. And for those of you who have always been here, well, thanks for coming back. So for those of you who don't know, well, I'm sure most of y'all don't know, but someone asked me a question. I don't know why I started it off like that, but someone asked me a question if they should use a heat gun on their cladding. Should they use the heat gun to restore their cladding back? Because they've seen YouTube videos showing that you can do this. They've seen it online. Okay, I just want you to get one thing straight, and if you know this, I just want you to know right now, the moment you use a heat gun to restore your cladding color back, you are damaging your cladding, because it does not last forever, and it comes back 10 times worse. You are basically destroying the pores in that plastic to make it heat back to look black, and it's only going to be okay for a time being. But when it comes back, it is 10 times worse. Trust me. I've seen the results. There are results on YouTube. There are results on the internet showing you that it is terrible. Do not do it. If you do not want your vehicle to look ugly later on, do not do it. Now, something that I do temporarily to keep it looking nice, every time I wash down my vehicle, I take some tire shine. Okay, and I spray it on the car and I rub it down, and it lasts for a month, honestly. And yeah, once a month I gotta wipe it down. So what? It lasts. Okay, that's not gonna be my permanent fix. My permanent fix, what I want to do is paint it back, but I want to do it neatly. Everything is in the preparation. If you take your time and prep it right, it will look good. So I do wanna prep it right, and I wanna use a really solid paint with a beautiful clear coat, and I want it to still have the rough texture. So we're gonna figure out something on it. I'll probably put down like 1 or 2 paint coats and then some clear coat over it. I might paint it the same color as the vehicle. I don't know yet. I might just change the entire vehicle's color. I'm not sure yet. I've been looking at some cool stuff like Hyper Sport or something it's called, where it's like, I think it's hypothermal or hypo sport. Basically, it's like if you throw water on it, it changes colors. Like it goes to white, and then like while you're driving it and it's dried, it's like purple, blue, green. Like it's beautiful. It is so beautiful, and I love that color. I think I want to paint my car and my truck into that. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys want to see that. That'd be an awesome episode. I have not forgotten about the wide body kit, so we're still gonna do that. I'm just working on it, and we're trying to figure out what to do, because I haven't seen anyone with it yet, and that's something that I'm gonna do, and I want to be the first one to do it. So that's what we're gonna do. But that is being in the works right now, though. So I don't want you guys to think I forgot. It's coming up. So stay tuned with the channel. You'll see something crazy. Back to the cladding. Do not do it. Do not use the heat gun. Paint it. Use some shoe polish. Use the back to black. Use the tire shine if you want. If not, just paint it. That's all I can say to y'all. Paint it. Yeah, that's why Chevy got rid of those claddings, because they had a lot of problems. They were fading, and I guess they just didn't even know how to fix it anymore. And they had a temporary fix. I think it lasted like 6 months, and then that's it. That's why they mostly got rid of the cladding. I love my cladding. I don't care. I'll paint it something else. I'll paint it black. I'll paint it orange. I'll paint it blue. I'll paint it whatever color I want, because it's my truck, and I like my truck how it is, and it's my own personal identity. So with that being said, guys, please leave a comment in the comment section below. If there is something else that I forgot and you guys want to add, please leave it there. And make sure that you hit this like button on the video for the YouTube algorithm, guys. Let's boost this channel up and get it popular, guys. Please, I'll see you all next time. Peace out.